Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start with your Word document open and the snipping tool ready. This makes capture immediate. Once done, set the snipping tool mode, rectangular for precise text or window for an entire object, because mode determines clipping behavior. Make sure to click New or Ctrl+N and drag deliberately. Small adjustments now prevent extra edits later. As you release the mouse, the image is captured to the snipping tool editor so you can refine, copy, or save without leaving Word. After capturing, click Copy or press Ctrl+C so the image is on your clipboard. This speeds up insertion. Then paste into Word with Ctrl+V. Now you have an image object to shape. Use the Picture Tool's Format tab to resize, crop, and apply corrections because those options control clarity and file size. Once placed, change wrap text to square or tight to flow text around the image. This step ensures your layout stays consistent and responsive as you edit the document. To finish, either save the snip externally by right-clicking and choosing Save as Picture or leave it embedded for simpler sharing. Each choice affects portability. Then, compress pictures via File Compress Pictures to reduce document weight while retaining enough resolution for readers. If your pasted image looks blurry, recapture. Zoom into the Word view or use window mode in Snipping Tool to grab a higher resolution source. Because capturing more pixels at the start fixes most clarity problems without complex.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.